Now let's go and fix our edit button so the user can edit the students. So let's go to inside our index, and in here also I have to say that I have already created the edit HTML part. We are going to use this view and we will do add Laravel code in here. So it's just HTML only, nothing else, as you guys can see. So let's go to our web.php first. In here, let's create a new route to for our edit view. So we will say route : get, and we will give him a URL of edit, and we will pass the student ID. So we will set ID. Then we will create a new method inside our controller with the name of edit. Now let's go to our student controller, and in here let's create the method. Let's type public function edit and get ID in the parameter. Then let's create a new variable with the name of student and set it to student : find or fail $ID. Then we will return the view by typing return view student dot edit with, and we have to pass our student also. So we will type compat student. Now inside our index, in the href of our a tag, in here we will just pass the URL. So we will say URL and we will type student, which is the prefix in here, as you guys can see, then the edit, and finally our ID. So first student slash edit, then in the second parameter of the URL, the second parameter, we will type the ID of a student, which we can fix by typing student the arrow key ID. Now let's save everything from here. Let's go refresh. Now if we want to edit this user, so we just have to click the edit button. Okay, the view is not found. Maybe we students. Save, refresh. Okay, so this is our form. Now let's display the data in each field. So let's go and let's go to our edit view. In here, in the input of each of them, we will type the value by just typing value is equal to the student variable that we sent from the controller, then the column name, in our case name. Same thing for the, okay, we have to add the quotation marks also. Let's close this. Now let's do same for the email. So we will type value is equal to student email. For date of birth, again we will type value student dash date of birth. Now let's do for the score as well. Then we will do for gender. So we will, let's add here value student score. Now because our gender is radio button, in that case, in here we can type just after the value, we will just check. So for that we will say $sign student gender is equal to M. In that case, we are writing a if condition, and if it's true, then check. Otherwise, just an empty string. Now we have to type same thing for female as well. So after the value, I will type, let's type here, if gender is equal to F, then check. Now let's go back to our browser, refresh. Now we got our data, so our data is displaying in here. Now it's time to fix the update button. So for this also we have to create a new route to pass our data to the controller. So we will create a new route with a type of post and we will name it update, and we will pass the student ID. So we will say ID, then you will create a update method inside our controller as well. So let's go to our students controller, and in here we have to type public function update. Then we will say request $sign request and the ID of the student. Then we will create a variable and set it to our student model. So we will say student find fail and $sign ID. Then the rest everything is same that we did for the save. So let's copy everything for all the columns and paste it here. Just at the end we will say a student update. In the state of save we will just say update, and again we will redirect back to the student index. Now let's go to our edit form and add this URL. So let's go here, and in the form, in the action, in here we will just type URL student slash update, and in the second parameter we will pass the student ID. Now let's save. Let's go refresh. Okay, let's change this name to, for example, edit edited student email as well, edited, and change the gender to female, score to 50. Now click update. Okay, we forgot to add the age column, so let's add the age as well. So let's copy this and paste it here. Change this to age and all the emails to age. Save. Let's go back, refresh. Now age is here. So again, edit, change this to edit as well, score to 50. Now let's update. Okay, it's been updated. Now let's go and check. Okay, as you guys can see, it has been updated. Our student